Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new topic, the parts of the ovary. Earlier we have studied about the ovary and the ovule. Here the parts of the ovary. Inside the ovary, ovule is present, and the pattern how the ovules are attached with the ovary is called as placenta. The point, or we can say the stalk through which the ovule is attached with the ovary, it is called as stalk. And the junction, the junction through which the funicle and the ovule is attached is called as hilum. In the embryo sac, you can see there are two protective envelopes, leaf-like structure that covers the embryo sac. These structures are called as integuments. They are two in number, inner and the outer integuments. The end towards which the integuments are present are called as micropyle, and opposite to the micropyle end, it is called as chalaza. Okay, chalaza, towards the chalaza there are presence of 3 cells, and towards the micropyle there are presence of 3 cells in the embryo sac. Enclosing the embryo sac, the tissues are present inside the embryo sac lining. On the lining part, the tissues are present, which are called as the nucleus. These nucleus cells, out of these nucleus cells, one will be prominent and will function as the embryo sac, or we can say the female gametophyte. Now if we talk about the embryo sac, what is embryo sac? The female. Now in the continuation, now the functional megaspore, or we can say the embryo sac, the female gametophyte is formed. Now see, there are mitotic division, and at the last on the right side we can see the diagram in which there are, on the upper side there are 2 synergid and 1 axil. This is the micropylar end, and on the opposite side there are 3 antipodal cells, and in between there are the 2 polar nuclei. Okay, but this whole cell, the whole female gametophyte, it is called as the embryo sac or the functional megaspore, or we call the same structure to be the female gametophyte. The last slide for today. Here there is a complete structure of embryo sac. This embryo sac is the female gametophyte. ये वो सेल है जो हमारे प्रोसेस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन में प्लांट्स के टेक प्लेस करेगी. You can see there are 2 ends, one is chalazial and other is micropylar.